Troubles are part of life, and being able to accept that fact and being able to move on is also a blessing that usually people don't realize. Some people have a tendency to stuck at the place where they have their troubles. Improve it, you will go to literal great heights. Having said that, I started my day with integrated respiratory system recall part. I have done it for 1 hour in the early morning live session, and I have started doing it in my office too. So I completed those 9 pages throughout from 9 to 4 timings of my hospital. I didn't do any custom module today. I just did the Q bank of marrow from integrated hemat recipe and one module from heart. I had done my yoga because if you are following me from the beginning, you would have known that I'm a very big fan of yoga. So I was doing it for some time.
Exhale, twist left. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Stay twisted and fold. Exhale.
That was a very great session of yoga. I felt overwhelmingly great today. After that, I sat up for revising prepladder rapid revision stuff from medicine part. There are some things which I have to annotate in BTR. That's it for today, guys. Bye.